Jagar is a puja which happens in the mountains
In Uttarakhand.
in Uttarakhand, which is for your local Devi Devtas को बुलाने वाली जो पूजा होती है, which every state has.
Okay.
I think Kantara is one of those examples कि कर्नाटका में वो होता है, बंगाल में होता है, every state has that. तो local Devi Devtas को बुलाने वाली पूजा को जागर बोलते हैं. So my backdrop is Jagar, but it is about this girl who goes there to shoot a documentary on that. And what happens to her? It is about her awakening. And Jagar means Jagna.
Oh. Yeah.
So it is actually more about her. The
Jagna.
story
But
is about
do
her.
the Devis and Devtas actually come? I mean, I'm just asking.
So I am not making a commentary on that even in the film. But I'm showing you the real side of it through the locals.
Without giving it away, but it's actually like, so it's like mystical. Like
It is mystical, but I've actually shot those people there with
the
जिनके
action,
अंदर
so
आते हैं.
the actual people
Yeah,
doing the
yeah,
actual
yeah.
chanting to get the...
Yeah, they chant. We play this particular instruments होते हैं. We have this also one instrument called maskebaz, which is very similar to Scottish bagpiper.
Oh.
That plays. We have these horns. We have the drums,
but
dhols.
you all don't wear skirts.
Everything no, without
So
this.
there's the difference.
There's
Good to know.
We have the Swamiji, who's my uncle actually, जिनको मैंने बचपन से
Acting or in real life? he
in
does
real.
that?
So whenever we shot the Jagar sequences in the film, we have done it live, real. मतलब वो मैंने बोला था you can't replicate this.
So this is
इसके
asli what would
असली
happen
चीज़ें-
and you're just shooting it.
I've shot it
Yeah.
because my story is about the documentary girl who's come there to shoot a
Correct.
docu on them.
हाँ.
So whenever we are showing you Jagar is absolutely live. The energies we've had devtas dancing around us, मतलब वो देवी देवतास बोलते हैं उनको जब गांव वालों के अंदर आते हैं. My cameraman was scared because they were coming towards the
So you're
camera.
a foreign cameraman.
No, he's from Bangalore, but वो प्राग.
so foreign.
नहीं मतलब वो प्राग से पढ़ के आया तो ज़्यादा तो बाहर ही रहा है.
This is outside his comfort zone, यार. Prague में जो पढ़ाई की, it would be really different. Yeah, I would
Yeah.
think
So his style, of course, is very different. The kind of film I wanted to make, he was very correct for this. But for them, all of them, it was very new. And we just went like 30-40 people, independent space, go there, trek for 45 minutes up, take all your equipments. I've taken them to places like 2 किलोमीटर अंदर रिवर के पास कुछ नहीं है. And the kind of place we've shot is very difficult because Harsil is 8 hours drive from Dehradun.
So you're a hardworking guy, yaar. I would be, if I was a filmmaker, I'm thinking always how to travel less, how to not move, how to shoot from the same location.
Right.
Your thinking is unbelievable, yaar.
We
8 hour
had to-
trek.
8 hours drive, then go there, then trek, and then shoot
My God.
with the real people in the real
I'm tired
mountains.
already.
And but the visuals are such that, I mean, at least right now, a lot of people have seen it and they're like, पहली चीज Hemant, my DOP, showed it to some European guys. They said कि oh ये India है. मतलब they couldn't even.
I can see it as an international feel. Immediately you can see international feel because it's like a real story
Yeah,
of hinterland
cultural
of India.
backdrop with a
Yeah.
global. I feel a very human story of anybody's awakening, self-awareness. मतलब मैं किसी को भी पूरी कहानी सुनाता हूँ बोलते हैं हाँ हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है, kind of. वो एक time आता जो
So
आपकी
change
life
the backdrop, the human story is the same.
Yeah, absolutely.